Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn Real English with Lily. Today's lesson is special. We're going to talk about feelings. Yes, real human emotions. And with me, as always, is my favorite student, Alan.
Hi, Teacher Lily. Hi, everyone. I'm a little nervous today because, well, we're talking about feelings. That's not easy for me.
That's okay, Alan. You're not alone. Many English learners find it hard to express emotions, but that's why we're here, to make it natural, honest, and simple. So tell me, how are you feeling right now?
Right now, I feel a bit tired, but also happy to be here. I had a long day, but this class always makes me smile.
Aw, that's sweet. Let's pause for a second. Did you hear the structure he used? I feel plus emotion. It's one of the most common ways to express feelings. Let's practice that together, listeners. Say it with us. I feel happy. I feel nervous. I feel tired.
It's simple, but it sounds so natural. Sometimes I forget to use feel and just say I'm tired. Is that okay too?
Excellent question. Yes, you can say, I'm tired, or I feel tired. Both are correct. But feel adds a personal touch. It sounds more emotional and reflective. For example, I'm sad sounds like a fact. I feel sad sounds more emotional, more human.
Oh, I get it now. Like I'm angry versus I feel angry. The second one sounds softer, more like you're talking about your feeling, not showing it.
Exactly, you're getting it. Scene 2, opening up about real emotions. Now, Alan, let's dig a bit deeper. How do you express your feelings when you're upset or stressed?
Honestly, I usually say nothing. I just say, I'm fine, even when I'm not.
That's very common, especially for people learning English. But in English conversations, especially with close friends, it's okay to share honestly. For example, instead of saying, I'm fine, you can say, I'm having a tough day. I feel a bit down. I'm not in the best mood today.
I feel a bit down. I like that one. It sounds honest, but not too heavy.
Exactly. It's soft and polite. Sometimes we don't want to sound dramatic, so we use small phrases like, I'm a bit. I feel kind of. I'm not really myself today.
That's really hopeful. Can I also say I feel stressed out? Because that's me. Almost every day.
Yes, that's a very natural expression. You can say, I'm stressed out. I feel under pressure. I'm overwhelmed. All of them mean you're dealing with too much at once.
I'll remember that. When I have too many assignments, I'll say, Lily, I feel overwhelmed.
Yes, and I'll say, take a deep breath, Alan. You can do it. Scene 3, talking about positive emotions. Okay, now let's move to positive emotions. Alan, what makes you feel happy?
Music makes me happy. Also, spending time with my family and learning something new, like English.
That's wonderful. You can say things like, I feel joyful. I'm excited. I'm in a good mood. I feel at peace.
I feel at peace. That's a beautiful phrase. It sounds like when you're sitting by the sea, listening to the waves.
Exactly. That calm, content feeling. Here's another one. I feel grateful. When something good happens or someone helps you, Say, I feel grateful for your help.
Like, I feel grateful for this lesson. Smiles.
Thank you, Alan. I'm grateful for you too. Scene 4. Deep emotional expressions. Now let's practice some deeper emotions when words really matter. For example, if you want to share sadness, you can say, I feel heartbroken. I'm hurting inside. Or, I feel lost. These are powerful and emotional.
Wow, they sound so real. But I guess you only say those to close friends, right?
Yes, exactly. You don't usually say, I feel heartbroken to your boss. But to a friend or someone you trust, yes, it's okay. In English, being honest about emotions builds connection.
That's very different from how we talk in my language. Sometimes we hide our emotions to look strong.
That's true in many cultures. But English, especially conversational English, values openness and emotional honesty. It's okay to say, I'm sad today, or I'm really proud of myself.
I'm proud of myself. That's a phrase I don't say often, but I should, right?
Absolutely. You can say, I feel proud of what I did, or I'm proud of my progress. It's not arrogance, it's self-love. Scene 5. When you don't know how you feel.
Sometimes I don't even know how I feel. Like, I'm not sad, not happy, just blank.
That's very human, Alan. You can say, I feel confused. I feel empty. Or, I'm not sure how I feel right now. Or, even, my emotions are mixed.
My emotions are mixed. Yeah, that's me during exam week.
Perfect example. English has a lot of gentle, honest ways to talk about emotional confusion. Scene 6. Practice role play. Let's do a short role play. Imagine you had a bad day and you meet your friend. That's me. Tell me how you feel.
Okay, let's try. So, I'm sorry. Hi, Lily. I had a rough day. I feel a bit down and tired.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
I studied all day for my test, but I still made mistakes. I feel disappointed in myself.
That's understandable. It's okay to make mistakes. It's part of learning. You should feel proud that you're trying so hard.
Thanks. I feel better already. Talking about it really helps.
That's the power of language, Alan. It heals. Scene 7. Encouragement and recap. So today we learned many ways to talk about feelings. Happy, sad, tired, proud, stressed, peaceful, and even confused. And remember, when you share your emotions in English, you don't just speak the language, you connect through it.
I love that. So the next time someone asks, how are you? I won't just say, I'm fine. I'll say something real. Like, today I feel calm today. Or, I'm a bit nervous but excited.
Exactly. That's how you sound natural and human.
Thank you, Teacher Lily. Every lesson with you feels like a real conversation, not just grammar and words.
That's the best compliment. And for everyone watching, try to describe your feelings in the comments below. Say, today I feel, and complete the sentence. Let's practice being honest and expressive together. All right, everyone. That's it for today's episode of Learn Real English with Lily and Alan. Remember, words are powerful. Use them to understand yourself and connect with others.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, because learning English should feel good.
Exactly. Until next time, stay kind, stay real, and keep learning.